There are various ways to share your ThingLink content with your students, your instructor, or publicly online. If you are working in web courses at UCF, whether as a student, staff, or faculty member, the best option will be to use the ThingLink plugin within the Rich Content Editor. When you're in the Rich Content Editor, locate the plugin icon in the top menu and select it. If you do not see ThingLink in the drop menu, select View All. At the bottom of the All Apps section, you'll find ThingLink and select it. When selected, the ThingLink window will appear, showing you all of your existing ThingLink base media scenes and scenarios. Locate the scene or scenario that you want to share. From there, drag your cursor over top the thumbnail and click Send. When you click Send, then the media will automatically be embedded within the discussion post, the web course page, or within the assignment. From there, save and publish your materials as normal.